All right, so this is our new house in Winston-Salem. Thought I'd give you a quick tour of the inside before we start. We've actually done quite a bit of cleaning out and helping the owner move out his things. And now we're starting to do a little bit of some painting. We're going to end up painting pretty much everything inside the house and just replacing the carpets. This floor here is a really nice hardwood, but it just needs some refinishing, and we're going to do that later when we can afford to do that. Same thing with the kitchen and the sunroom. We'll get those at a later point. But anyways, this is coming when you come in the front door, which is right there behind me. Come in the front door, and this is what we got here, the living room. The whole house is 1,550 square feet. And then also right here has the steps that goes upstairs, which we'll see in a minute. And just turn around here, hopefully without making you sick. There's a coat closet by the front door. So that's that. Two entrances into the kitchen. It has a bifold door there that you can close off if you need to for whatever reason. And as you see, everything's a mess. So, but this is kind of the before we get things painted and carpet done. And let me turn on the light here so let's see this here a little bit better. That's the kitchen view, is the backyard. It's a half-acre lot. So French doors that lead out into the sunroom, which is going to be kind of a sitting room. It can't be used a ton like in the winter because it's not heated or anything. In fact, right now it's freezing out here. I don't even know how to turn the light on here. There we go. Anyways, this will have the couch, and if back into the living room, there's that recliner. That's going to come inside here eventually. And this table is the table we're going to end up using. And then it has right there, when the blinds are open, you go out the sliding glass door, and there's a deck. Let's see. I'm not going to go outside because it's like 15 degrees out. But it's got a upper deck here, and then steps right there that go down into a lower deck. So haven't cleaned any of that up yet. It's a lot of overgrowth of trees and stuff that I'll probably deal with more in the spring when things warm up. So anyways, that's the sunroom. Right now it's the winter room. It's freezing out there. Might figure out a way to maybe heat that up a little bit better. Anyways, so out of the kitchen, back in the living room, and then still on the first floor, this here is a door that leads down into the basement and the garage, which is the full length of the house. And then you enter the master bedroom, which you have washer and dryer, shelf, bathroom. We replaced the fixtures in here, the toilet. We'd like to get a double sink eventually. Just things will do, and we got money for it. So new toilet downstairs and upstairs. New faucet, and again, that's a window to the backyard, and new faucets in there. All this wallpaper will come down, and we'll get this painted here over the next week or two. Doors here. This queen size bed we just got, we haven't got the box springs yet for it. But anyways, this is the one side of the master bedroom, Dawn's closet. Sheet to cover the window because there's no window treatment for that yet. Again, a lot of this furniture or stuff will get moved around, some to different places. This is my closet. So it's a pretty good size master bedroom. It's the width, the width or the depth of the house, I guess. It's like 25 feet, I think, something like that. Anyways, this bed's going to go upstairs into the bigger open bedroom and office. There'll actually be two of these up there in that room. This bed we're going to use for a while in here until we can afford to get a king size bed. And then this bed here will go up into the smaller guest room. So that's the downstairs. So coming back around here. I'm giving you way too much information, but this was for myself too, for later. I can see the progress. All of those rails will going to get painted. We're going to go with grays and whites, or some kind of a shade of white that Dawn has picked out. Oh, that'll all get painted. Ugh. So this is a nice big open room. So those two, that double bed or full size bed or whatever you call that and the one I'll show you in a minute is going to come up into this room. Have my desk in here. This will be the office. Nice size closet right there. And then to the guest second full bath up here. Not a new fixture there, but new insides of that because it was just leaking a little bit. New shower head over there. Fixtures are the same, just replaced the shower head. Those are working good. No leaks. It's good. I say no leaks because the house sat for a long time, so probably close to 7 years with little use. So stuff like that tends to leak. So this is the small guest room. So this bed here, along with the bed downstairs, is going to go out into the bigger one. There will be nothing in here for a while. Actually, we may keep this in here for now. We're still making decisions. A nice piece of furniture, the owner. A lot of actually nice pieces of furniture the owner left for us. It was very kind. But eventually, the queen size bed will come up into this room, and this and the other full size bed will go back out here. This is right here is where the heating unit is, and the blower and all that stuff, and kind of little side attic space up there has some more attic space. I haven't even looked up there yet. A little damage in the ceiling. That was from several years ago. So I got a new roof. So I had some leaks, so we're getting ready to repair that. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I guess I'll take you downstairs just real quick. It's kind of the downstairs basement was real neat, and then we started bringing stuff in and moving stuff around, so it's gotten to be a mess in the basement. So I call one side the basement and the other side the garage. So Dawn and I know what we're talking about when we're going places. We're talking about picking up things or getting things. So this side over here is the rest of the owner's things that he'll be coming to either get or decide if he wants or not. Turn the light on here. So just a nice workbench area. New water heater we just put in, thanks to Brandon up in Cana, Virginia. Guy goes to our church, did a bunch of plumbing work for us, so super helpful. Anyways, this side over here, well, eventually that'll all get cleared out, and I don't know what that'll be. There's Yaya. He's still exploring around here. And then this is the other side of the basement. There's Dawn hiding because she doesn't have makeup on yet. It's early in the morning. But this, again, eventually will get all cleaned up and organized. A new dishwasher because there was some issues with the one here. Mainly leaking quite a bit. And actually it wasn't too bad a shape, but we found this thing like super cheap at a Sears that was going out of business. So we figured the other one was about 15 years old and leaking, and figured it might have other issues, so we went and took the plunge on that. Get that installed hopefully not too long. The most important part of the garage, the motorcycle. And this is all of our stuff. It's been stored in here for a couple months, thanks to the owner letting us do that, so we haven't even messed with any of that. So, because we've been cleaning out the house, getting things out, and once that project's finished and we get carpet and paint done, then we'll start moving that upstairs. But so that's the garage side. It goes the whole length of the house, which is, so this whole part here is 35 feet long and approximately 12.5 feet wide. And the same over here. This is about 12.5 feet wide approximately, and 35 feet long. So anyways, that's that. And then this goes out into our driveway. You can see the truck there. Our camper parked back there. It's a perfect spot for it. We got water collecting there, and we're across the street. They cut down trees and gave us the mulch, so I used that to just kind of it's just a temporary fix to some pooling up water right there on that side. So haven't quite figured out how to deal with that yet. But anyways, so that's it. That's the new Merical house, which is a miracle for the miracles. So hope you enjoyed, and just so you know, this house is for you to enjoy as well. If you're coming through, if you want to come by and visit, or if we're gone on the weekend and you want a place to get away, you can come here and get away and relax. So anyways, that's that, and the next video you see will be with a lot more things accomplished and organized.